What's going on, guys? Everyday Andrew back with a brand new video, and I hope you guys are having the best day you guys could possibly ever have. This plane right here, which is a Delta Airlines, should be coming any minute now. Going to JFK. Coming from JFK, which is in New York. Gone to SFO, which is San Francisco. We landed in about 5 hours 25 minutes. Took off 19 minutes ago. It's a Boeing 757. Now we played a waiting game. Obviously for you guys, a couple seconds. Well, like 1 second. Guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it is literally right there. There's the Delta Airlines. Bye. Have fun in San Francisco. Have very fun in San Francisco, California. Yeah. There goes a driving camper. Let's go see this Southwest real quick. Taking off from LGA, going to Atlanta. Well, LGA is also in New York. It's a Boeing 737. And guys, for those of you that do not know, my favorite airline is Southwest. There it is. It's right up there. It's really high. It just went behind the tree. I hope you guys could see that. Guys, so the next one we will be seeing is a British Airways, London to Mexico City. Took off 7 hours 21 minutes ago. We'll land in about 3 hours 29 minutes. Let's go see it. Guys, there it is. Probably the biggest one so far besides the Delta. But that one is huge. It's the British Airways. Well, obviously, I already told you guys that. Bye, British Airways. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Guys, I do not think I told you this, but it is a Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. That's huge. Guys, we got a plane spotting buddy. Guys, look, another Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner going to Dulles, and I have no clue how to pronounce the other one. Turkish Airlines will land in 27 minutes, took off 10 hours 4 minutes ago. It is right above my finger. Right there. Hi, Turkish Airlines. So cool. We are scoring big with the big ones tonight. There it goes. Iceland Air. I have no clue how to pronounce that, but it's going to Dulles. We'll land in about 24 minutes. Took off 5 hours, 27 minutes ago. A Boeing 767. Like I said, we are scoring big with the sizes. Literally right up there. Hi Iceland Air. Or however you pronounce your name. Boeing 767. Jeez. Guys, so that last plane is gonna wrap up the video here. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what your favorite airline is. Like I said, mine is Southwest. I want to know what yours is. For those of you guys that have been on planes, like, look how clear of a night it is. I couldn't picture a more perfect evening than to do this. If it was earlier in the day out, we would be able to see a lot more. But this time of night, you can mostly see the ones right up there and the ones landing at Dulles. But when it's earlier in the day, you can see ones that are like right up there. And obviously the ones landing at Dulles and ones up there. So depending on what time of day it is and the sun angle. But anyway, did I say turn on post notifications? Because I'm not sure if I did. But, whoa. That thing is sick. Yeah. But anyway, turn on those post notifications to see more lit plane spotting videos in the future. Because there will be a lot more. There might be another one coming soon. Just letting you guys know. But anyway, peace out.